Hi.
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 Don't make it weird.
All right, fine. So here we are.
Yeah. Let me tell you what we're doing.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah. Um, so in a couple days here, yes, we're having a birthday party for me.
Him.
And it's not going to be a big crowd. And it's going to be a black shirt affair, not black tie, just black shirt. What we're wearing here is fine. I'm not wearing a Gnomes Tavern shirt for that, but I've got something else on mine. Anyway,
Shout out to Gnomes Tavern.
Yeah, shout
Love
out.
you, dude.
I'm wearing this because I'm going to talk to you about something here in a second on air. Um, Anyways, last time we had a party here, Jesse was down here slinging drinks, and I was running drinks, and that got old quick. So
Yeah.
we came to the agreement that we were going to pre-batch some old fashions. We have a lot of old-fashioned drinkers. We have made a pre-batched freezer door Manhattan before. That's another episode down the links. But yeah, we're gonna do this old-fashioned freezer door. So that's gonna make my life a lot easier come Saturday night. While Jesse's doing this, Gnome, you have some of your Earl Grey bitters coming our way. My request for you,
Which I have to say, I'm incredibly excited about.
yes, I don't know how you came up with that idea. I never would have thought of doing Earl Grey tea bitters, but props to you. Anyways,
This is taking way too long.
Yeah, take that off. Good thing I'm talking to Gnome right now.
That's right.
Yeah, so once they get here, I want you, now that you've made a bunch of cocktails with this, I would like for you to tell us what you would like to see us make with those, because your opinion is valued, and no one knows these bitters better than you, and I'd like to see it happen. So I'm about to get out of the camera, and this is just the excess right now, right?
No.
Okay. Actually, I'm gonna get out of here. You can explain what's going on.
Okay. So yeah, so we are doing a batched old fashioned. This is really going to be a double batch because the main batch recipe is based off of a 750 or a fifth, and we are doing a double batch with this 175. So we're going to double this up. So two 750s. Then on top of all of that, we're going to add some Angostura bitters and some orange bitters because we like to use both of those in our old fashions. So we're going to do, I don't know, let's do 10. And then let's do 10. And this enormous bottle, the dashes are also enormous. So I'm going to add 10 more of these. Little bottles, the dashes are a little bit smaller. So to keep it simple, equal amounts of your standard Angostura bitters, equal amounts to your Angostura orange bitters. So for the big bottle, it was 10. For the little bottle, I did 20. All right. Then we're going to do some simple syrup. And I would like to say this is going to be, I don't know, 2 ounces. But I'm also going to just kind of wing it because that's kind of what I want to do based off of how sweet I want this to be. So that was probably maybe 3 or 4 ounces. All right. So we've got all that in there, all the bitters, all the simple syrup. We're going to go ahead and put the lid on. This is going to just kind of be little bit of a, let's close the top. Close the top. A little bit of a work in progress. So we're going to see how this goes. So we're going to get a little rocks glass.
Here I come. Here I come.
Oh, here he comes.
Well,
so we're just going to see how this tastes, and we're going to adjust accordingly. So again, just a little something in there to use your finger to stir it around.
Well, so the original recipe I saw was talking about 8 ounces of simple syrup. But as you know, you can always add sugar, but you can't take it away. So.
Correct. I don't know. I think that's pretty good, to be honest with you.
I would say a little more sugar.
A little more sugar?
A little more.
All right.
Maybe another ounce.
All right, more sugar. More sugar it is. And actually, I'm going to add some more of these orange bitters because I'm not really getting.
Well, and come Saturday, there will be fresh orange slices for people to put in and muddle if they choose. I'm sure I will.
All right.
That's going to sweeten up quite a bit.
So I added maybe another ounce of simple syrup. I did another 10 dashes of the orange bitters. So again, just kind of seeing where we are. Go ahead and finish that off for me.
Rude.
Yeah, you can handle it. All right. So let's see where that has us. Give that a go.
Now it tastes like an old fashioned.
Much better?
Yeah.
Agreed. Yeah. So
yeah, again,
that's it.
You can't take it away. You can only add to it. So we'll leave this out for the people that like it extra sweet.
Yeah.
And then the
stir it up.
The orange will help too.
Yeah. I mean that's all there is to it. You want to pre-batch an old fashioned? Listen, get yourself some whiskey, a little simple syrup, some bitters. Go to town.
Yeah, make your life easy.
That's it.
Yeah,
that's all we got.
It's not a complicated drink, and we're not looking to be slinging drinks all night. So
that's a fact.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, there's a freezer door old fashioned.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Adios.